The sound we make when we see something astonishing. Like a dolphin taking out a surfer. Get in the sea. This waitress is hoping for a big tip. Here's one. Don't throw cake all over the customers.
Oh my God!
Enjoy your round of applause. You're getting sacked at the end of it.
We're good.
You're good. The granny in the golf buggy? Not so much.
We're good.
Why do they make basketball backboards out of glass?